An introduction video for how to perform EFT tapping. Sit with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor if that is available to you. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the breath going in and out of your body. Begin to slow your breath down. 6 seconds for an inhale, 6 seconds on the exhale. With 3 fingers, using either hand, tap on the side of your hand below your little finger. This is known as the setup point. Gently tap on the top of your head. Tap with 2 fingers on your eyebrow where it meets the bridge of your nose. You may use both hands or one hand on either side of your face. Tap at the side of your eye. Tap under your eye. Tap under your nose. Tap in the crease of your chin. Tap where your collarbone meets your breastbone. Tap under your arm about 4 inches below your armpit. Again, either side of the body is fine. This is 1 complete round. Now repeat. Side of your hand, top of the head, eyebrows, side of the eye, under your eye, under your nose, chin, collarbone, under your arm. This is the foundation for EFT tapping.